Hello there, welcome back to Ethiopia Microsoft Academy. Today I'm gonna show you how to join a Zoom meeting from a web browser without installing the Zoom application on your laptop or mobile device. I will show you two methods to join Zoom meetings. The first method is how you can join the Zoom meeting by using the meeting link that is created by the meeting host or the person who is going to broadcast his lesson over Zoom. And the second method is how you can join Zoom meeting with meeting ID and password that is created by the host. By the way, if you want to become a host and broadcast your class or meeting online, I will put the video link in the description below this video. To join Zoom meeting by using the meeting link, first you need to have an updated meeting link that is provided by the meeting host. The host will send you invitation via email or other social media. After getting the meeting link, first check whether it is scheduled or currently happening. For instance, the host invited me with my email address to join this meeting. So to attend this meeting on a web browser without installing the Zoom application, simply click on the link. As you see, the Zoom meeting web page is opened. Then click on Launch Meeting. Then click on Join from your browser. If this is your first time to join Zoom meeting, you can enter your Zoom display name from here. Then click on Join. Depending on the host setting, you may automatically join the meeting or wait a while till the host allows you to join. As you see, I have joined the meeting. If you want to join Zoom meeting by using meeting ID and password without installing the Zoom application, you can use this method. I have an invitation to join this meeting. As you see, it contains meeting ID and password. To do so, simply open your web browser and search for zoom.us. From here, select this Zoom web page. Then click on Join Meeting. From here, enter your meeting ID. Let's copy the meeting ID from the invitation message. Then paste here and click on Join. Click on Launch Meeting. Then select Join from your browser option. Now enter your name. Then click on Join. Then enter your meeting passcode. You can copy the passcode from your invitation message. Paste here and click on Join. Click on Join Audio by Computer. Now I have joined the meeting. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon below this video. You will get other related tips and tricks for the future. Also, don't forget to check the description below for the latest updates and related tips. Have a nice day.